Man, you know what thing? One thing I recognize about the people is, man, nobody invests in the future. You know what I mean? So yeah, all of them they just worried about the present, the present. You know what I mean? Because of the present, they lose the future. You know what I mean? But smart people or God people or the believers, they work for tomorrow. You know what I mean? So we are one step ahead from the other people. You know what I mean? We are one step ahead. So basically, the other people, what I'm gonna eat today, where I'm gonna go today, that's how it is. You know what I mean? What I'm gonna buy today, you know what I mean? But the believer is tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. So basically, there is two account that all of us have. You know what I mean? I have two account. You have two account. The account number one is with the bank, Wells Fargo, Chase Bank, U.S. Bank, Bank of America, and those kind of banks. You know what I mean? That's the account number one. Credit, debit, saving. You know what I mean? Credit, saving, checking. You know what I mean? The second account is with God. You know what I mean? So some people they invest a lot like you cannot invest in a boat a lot. You know what I mean? Like me, if you wanna be like me, I invested everything for the future. You know what I mean? Everything, like my health, my uh, my wealth, my family, my everything, everything sold to God for the future. You know what I mean? So that's me. But you don't be like me, because it will be crazy. You know what I mean? Just balance. You know what I mean? Invest in the future. So, oh, this week I'm gonna invest in the future a little bit. You know what I mean? This month I'm gonna invest in the future a little bit. You know what I mean? Yeah, 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 I gotta invest in the future. You know what I mean? It's been a while. The account of the future is not. It doesn't get any income. I gotta work. I gotta do something. You know what I mean? To make the future account a little bit up. You know what I mean? That's supposed to be a mentality. You know what I mean? God said, "أقرض من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا." That means like this is what I'm talking about. قرضا حسنا. من ذا الذي يقرض الله قرضا حسنا is this what I'm talking about right now. You know what I mean? Investing in the future.